morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the phone. We're doing it real big at work. Alright, Monday. Let's do it. Another hot day. Shoutouts? Yeah, shoutouts. Shoutouts to the following: Trash Boy 1921, The New Spice at Titanic Lover 1050, Trash Master 18, Playing with Avery, Tristan Wilson, and Jesus. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, heat advisory till probably Tuesday, so window is up. Let's do it. Those are brown cans. Pre-grip, line it up, pick it up. Oh, there's a hot dog behind that fence. What's up, my guy? That's right. It's Monday today. Like I mentioned, Monday Night Football, 49ers against the Jets. And the Niners will definitely smoke the Jets tonight. Don't get it twisted. Hopefully some Buffalo Wild Wings visits coming soon to go watch the game, depending on what time it is. Pre-grip, line it up, pick it up. So yeah, this Monday we're busy. We're busy all the time. I gotta do my route plus extra work. My route plus extra work every single day. Every single day I have overtime. But at the very least, today or this whole week, we'll be running slightly lighter because we picked up last week a day late all week. Ooh, a challenge. All right, let's get it. Yeah. Still haven't seen any Halloween decorations out in front of people's houses. Soon, I guess. Pre-grip, line it up, pick it up. We got a fan. Hello. It's probably mostly the truck. tap. Whoa, this one feels heavy. What was in there? Dirt? So there is some cans that no matter how early you pass by, they will always be full. And I mean always. Just like these ones right now. Clean out time. Let's see what we got in here. Cardboard. Cardboard is annoying. We got some trash juice for sure. A lot of dirt. Let's let that drain. Let's check if she's empty. Yep, more cardboard. She's good to go. It's already hot as it is, but in here in the engine area, OMG, so much heat is being emitted. Like, at times I have to step away because it's that hot. It's crazy. I don't want to get splashed. Okay, we're good. All right, locked and loaded. Everything looks good. And this is why you bring your gloves with you to the back. Luckily, I was able to kick that napkin out of my mud flapper and whatnot. It's time to finish so we can get out of here. Oh, that's a lot of cans. I don't think it was picked up on Saturday like it should have been. Let's do it today. This one's really damaged. Look at that. Let's see if we could take this one with us. It's too broken up. Let's dump it. There she goes. Oh no. Just great. on, we can do it. Come on. Come on. Oh well. See what happens when they're too broken up? Not even I can take them sometimes. Just leave it there. There we go. Let's pick this one up. Oh, perfect. Time to park it. I'm gonna park it next to the shop because I'm gonna ride it up. I need one of those rubber grippers on the clamp so I could grab the small one better. It's kind of wobbling, dancing around when I'm picking it up. So instead of the mechanic having to go find it, my truck, that is, I'll just let them know it's parked out front. Don't forget to drop a like. Hello, Danny, out.